Okay, hello everybody. This is Mike here again. So this is my continuing series of videos of programming tutorials. Uh, so this is uh, this is kind of a special video in the sense that this is day 2 of the National Robotics Week, and again I'm going to use my favorite programming robotics teaching tool, the MicroBit by BBC. And we're going to do another simple coding example using one of the cool features of the MicroBit. Today, we're going to use the temperature sensor, and we're going to program the temperature sensor. It's really simple and straightforward, a lot like the getting the accelerometer data, compass data, light data. So once again, let me share my screen. So I'll show you how to do the code, and we're going to do as usual. We're going to do the code using MakeCode by Microsoft. And again, this code example is very simple, very straightforward, easy to teach, easy to learn, something that really young kids can learn how to do really quickly. So we're going to use the standard forever loop, which just loops everything through the code, constantly loops the code. And we're going to create a variable. And if you remember right, with variables, you just do make a variable, give it a name, create the variable. Then you need to set it to something, set it to either a number or a Boolean. In this instance, we're going to do a number, a Celsius number between 0 and 255. So that's just basically the set command. And then we grab the temperature. It's another input and the input menu. Right there. It's only in Celsius, looks like, not in Fahrenheit, only in Celsius, but you probably do conversion if you need to. So there you go. That's really simple. Set the variable to the temperature in degrees Celsius. Really easy. And the other, it's just a basic command, show number. And then again, we just plug in the reading variable because the reading variable is what we're putting the temperature, assigning the temperature to, and show the number. And it's reading in the number. Boom. That's easy. Straightforward, simple. And you can use this in many different applications, both for the MicroBit and for like a robotics. A firefighting robot becomes, I think, is a good example. So if the robot comes into the room and it's a really super high temperature, maybe it sets off a little alarm or a little buzz, or so on, to alert you that it's real high temperature in the room, which could be a fire. Let's look at the JavaScript code too, and it's always really simple. So let, especially assigning reading a number of 0 to start. And then you call it the basic forever function. And when you do that, you're basically just looping. And then you're assigning reading to the input, because the temperature is an input. And you got the temperature in degrees Celsius. Very simple. So input and the temperature off the temperature sensor, and in degrees Celsius is assigned to reading. Remember, 1 equal sign is assigning value, 2 equal sign is comparing values. And then you call the show number function, and we pass in it the reading variable, which has the value of the temperature in degrees Celsius, and it displays it on the LEDs. Really simple, easy, really, really simple. All there is to it. So I've already downloaded it to my MicroBit, so I'm going to stop sharing my screen. Now, once again, I'm only using this DF Robot gamepad to power the MicroBit. You don't For this coding example, you don't need the gamepad. I just find it's a convenient way to power the MicroBit. So let's turn it on. So it's reading 19 degrees Celsius. So let's see if we can, let's do a test here. Hopefully we won't get too disorientated here. So it's 19 degrees Celsius. Stick it in. Stick it in my freezer here. You can see it dropping. 18, 17. I hope you can see this. 17 degrees Celsius. 16 degrees Celsius. I don't want to keep our refrigerator open forever. So it just slowly drops the temperature. Okay, I think that was a good test. And we should get a slight, slowly increase in temperature. Back up to 19. The gamepad is a little bit cool. I can feel it. Oop. Air slowly coming back up to 19. No. Huh. Trying to get air movement over the MicroBit to warm it up. So you can say it's slowly, gradually warming back up to 19 degrees Celsius. Awesome. Once again, straightforward, simple test, easy code, easy to test, easy to program, easy to teach, easy to learn. Now back up 19 degrees Celsius, which is correct for the, I checked it with my central air temperature, and it's dead on. It's the thermostat for my central air and for the MicroBit are agreeing with each other. It's 19 degrees Celsius inside my living room right now. So cool, very cool. Okay, so that's it. Simple to, like I said, simple to teach, simple to learn. Simple for and easy for kids. So if you have any suggestions, questions, comments, please put them in the comment section for this video, and I'll try to answer them or try to maybe do a video to explain or answer them in the future. And once again, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something today, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.